Good morning. It's Tax Tuesday. Woo woo. I know. Man, I'm turned up today because you know I love doing my Tax Tuesday show. Good morning, Facebook people. How are you? I am so excited, aren't you? We woke up today. Anyway, this is the tax guru, the West Coast Tax Guru K from Speedy Tax Services. Yes, we up and rolling, and man, it is off the chain. Yes, it is. So I'm so excited. So what y'all doing today? Are y'all up getting your tax papers ready? That's what you should be doing. I know you're waiting on some stuff, but this is the time to gather your stuff and make it so that the tax preparer, that's me, that my people can do a great job for you. So what is the hot topic? What's going on right now? It is that advanced child tax credit. It is giving people major headaches. And IRS is like, okay, we got this. We're going to send everybody this letter so they'll know exactly how much they claim so we don't have to kick everything to the errors unit. Then they got overwhelmed. Now they saying we put up a portal. We can't do that. So what you need to do is, when you're ready to do your taxes and you receive the advanced child tax credit, do me a favor. Go to irs.gov at the portal that says Get Child Tax Credit Payments and go in there, log into that portal, and find out exactly how much you received from IRS. Why? Because IRS is something else. They're saying if you don't get that right, they're booting it to the error unit. And guess what? They work at home. By the time they get to your stuff, you'll be ready for next year. They still working on last year because of the stimulus stuff. And it is just crazy. So I'm telling you, I behoove you. So they put out a frequent fact sheet, and I'm just going to kind of go over some highlights of some stuff that I think is very interesting that you probably really need to know. And one of the questions is, what is the 2021 child tax credit? Well, that was where they increased the child tax credit for families that have children. They increased it. So it used to be $2,000 a kid. They increased it to $3,000 and $3,600. And so it's important to figure out how to get this child tax credit if you have it, and make sure that you do it correctly. It's on the screen there on where you need to go in order to confirm this. So it's fully refundable. You don't have to worry like, oh, did I have any income? No, you have to have a child. The child has to be from 6 and under. They qualify for $3,600, and then for 5 to 16 to 17, they qualify for $3,000. And so you may have gotten some of the payments, but you got to be clear about this. Now, I have run into some big problems that's occurring with this, and that is, for instance, IRS, they use your 2021 taxes or your 2020 taxes or your 2019. But if things have changed since then, we got problems. That's why you got to go on there and see what happened. And then you have to have a healthy discussion. You need a tax professional for that. That's me. You want to try to do it on your own, but because there's some things that I can help you with. Now, one of them is, what if on 2019, they sent you claimed 3 children, and they sent you the advanced child tax credit for those 3 children. Now, this is the year where you can't claim the 3 children because you and your husband or the daddy, of the children, you have some type of an agreement that on the odd years I claim them, on the good years you claim them. So guess what happens? That advanced child tax credit went to you, and now you're doing your taxes and you don't have the children to claim. Well, sorry about that, but IRS is saying if you got it and you ain't claiming them this year, you got to pay it back. Yes, you end up getting it deducted from you. So that's why you've got to understand. And maybe you might ask your spouse, let me go ahead and claim it again this year, and you claim it for 2 years so that you don't have to end up in a negative. Now, and guess what? Your spouse, if you decide to do that, say, okay, I don't care, I'm going to pay it. Your spouse does get to claim it. Yeah, it's not double dipping because you're going to pay it back. Your spouse can say, hey, I didn't get it for the children. They can claim the advanced child tax credit and get the full credit, but you have to pay the money back because you got it and now you can't claim it. Although there is something that I know. There is a repayment exclusion that I know about that we can help you. You may not have to pay nothing back because you qualify for that. But it's really critical, important that you understand this because it's so confusing and it really does cause a problem. So you've got to make sure that you claim the children if you can. Try to keep it clean. Claim the children that you got the child tax credit on it so you don't have to worry about paying it back. But if not, that's the situation. Now, in order to qualify that, all you got to do is have a child. You don't have to have an income. You could be on Social Security. You could be on welfare. So if you don't qualify, this is another one where last year where I didn't have an income, but I wanted to get the stimulus. Well, you can do that for this one too. You don't have to have any income. If you didn't get it, go to your tax professional, come to me, and get your taxes done. Yes, and we will put in for that is fully refundable. The $3,000 per child or $3,600. It is amazing. Some people get $11,000, whatever, but it's based on the fact that they have to file for that. So that's one of the things that's really a problem. If you have questions, if you need help, just text me and I'll help you. Come see us. We'll do your taxes for you. It's very, very interesting. It's a lot to go on. So guess what? Now here comes the next one. The third stimulus check. So last year in March or April, the third stimulus check, the economic impact payment, the recovery rebate credit, was issued $1,400 a person last year in March or April. Now, you get it all back. You don't have to file, you don't have to have earned it. Now, only thing about any of these credits, when you do it on your taxes, if you owe something, they're going to offset it. You ain't going to just get it because they offset it. But the third stimulus check, same thing. Go to irs.gov, get economic impact payments status, and find out what was paid to you. And then when you come and see me, because I have so many people, y'all got money. I have people that got $5,600, $1,400, and they sit up there telling me, I didn't get nothing. I don't remember getting that. What? You got buku money. Wish I was you. That somebody sent me a check for $5,600 and I don't remember. Wow. Let me tell you something. March or April ain't that far away. Y'all don't have dementia. You supposed to know at least what you got, or you balling and rolling like that. Woo! But anyway, you have to be clear about this. This is so critical to your taxes. It could take 8 to 9 months to get your tax refund or to file get your taxes processed if you don't get this right. So again, go to the portal on irs.gov. It's at the bottom, economic impact payment status. So it says get economic impact payment status and find out if you got it. Okay, you could go to your bank statements too, but I wouldn't count just on that because some people close the banks. Y'all don't know how to read your bank statement and whatever. And so it's so important, y'all, to get this straight. Yeah, aren't you glad? Yes, I know. But I have to do this because I need to make sure that we help you, because I got so many calls all year. They ain't done my stuff yet. They ain't done my stuff yet. But you told me you didn't get your economic 1 and 2, and you did. Oh my gosh. So I just wanted to avoid this and help you have a smooth transition in getting your tax file and getting them back. Yesterday was a 1099 and W-2 filing date. So you should be getting those in the mail, or you should be able to download your W-2s or your 1099s. That's part of gathering the paper. You got to bring me that. Don't bring me no check stuff. We can't use your check stuff. IRS come close this place down. If I do that, it's illegal. So you W-2 and your 1099s should have been sent out yesterday. You should be getting them this week from your employers. And many employers now, they so up to date, they so cool. You could just go online and download it, but you got to give it to me. I can't guess. I can't go by the check stuff. That'd be wrong. And so please don't ask me to do that. This ain't no ghetto taxing. This is the legit place, been in business for 30 years. So come on, people, let's operate like we for real. We ain't gangsters. We ain't hustlers. We for real deal here. And small businesses, I just love y'all. Get your stuff together. Go to your bookkeeper. Get your profit and loss from the whole year so that when you come, you don't be telling me, man, somebody came in a shoebox. I like to die. I said, well, let me go have dinner and I'll be back. I'm going to go in this kitchen here and fix some dinner. And when you get back, putting all these numbers together, then we're going to do these taxes, because you don't want to see what I'm going to charge you if I have to put a shoebox together. You in trouble. You better have some long money. So small businesses, I know, I love you, small business. But you got to get your profit and loss, look at your bank statements, get all your stuff together so that you can come and file your taxes, LLCs and all that. Guess what? You got to have your taxes, your LLCs and C Corp audit. You got to have that filed by next month. So start getting your paperwork together, start looking at your finances. And then if you're an S Corp, come on now, you're supposed to be receiving a paycheck. People say, I'm going to be an S Corp. You think you're going to get away with that? You're in violation. IRS going to ding dong you big. You're an S Corp, get on payroll. You're supposed to be getting paid on payroll, paying your taxes. Your company pays you and you're a W-2. There's great great reasons to be an S Corp, but don't misuse it. Don't not do it. Come on now, pay the man a little bit. You can pay us. We do payroll. Pay the man some money to get your stuff right so you don't have to pay all those employment taxes. Why did you go through that? And then you sit up there, I don't know, I didn't do it. I just brought that in. Okay, so when IRS come knocking at your door, don't give them my name because I told you and I tried to help you. So anyway, we're here. I just love you guys to do your taxes. Did y'all see my commercial? People are calling me. Did you hear me on the radio? Ooh, people are saying that they heard me on the radio. And I'm just trying to blow it up. I'm just trying to be a little H&R Block. I'm just trying to, take it off the chart and just trying to do a great job. And I do the best I can. Now on my website, you can book an appointment on my website. My website is speedytaxesusa.com. Book an appointment. I know we want to do the old way. We want to sit it there and call me and make an appointment. And I will do that for my loved ones. But I'm asking you, help me. All you got to do is go on my website and you can put your documents in there. You can pay in there. Man, I'm telling you, this new technology is off the chain. So I love you guys. What else? I just want to tell you that I'm still doing life insurance. Yeah, I had to put that in there because of the fact that there are so many GoFundMe, so many people dying. Do you know the spirit of death is over this world right now, that people are dying left and right from everything, and people aren't prepared. They thought they was going to live to be 100 years old, but you ain't Moses. You ain't going to live that long. But anyway, you might live to be 80, and some people are living 100, but Moses lived longer than that. So, hey, get your life insurance together. Call me. I'll give you an affordable rate. Oh, I have it on my job. Oh, yeah, but your job don't care nothing about you. I know so many jobs don't pay it. When you leave your job, because most people ain't gonna stay there forever, and you leave your job, you don't have no life insurance. What you want your friends and your family to be able to bury you without all of that? Don't you want to make sure that your family is protected? Come on, y'all, grow up. So many people, I know, but I'm putting something on myself. You believe in God, but you putting something on yourself. Come on now. And the other thing is that superstitious stuff, you better take it somewhere, and you got to grow up and be responsible. If you're gonna put life insurance on your car, life insurance on your house, babe, you better put life insurance on you, because you're more important than that. And then another thing is, I'm looking for people. Man, life insurance is huge now because people dying left and right, and they know they need life insurance. That my team is the heavy hitters. I would love for you to join my team. We have an opportunity op meet tonight where you can find all about it, how lucrative it is, how it's great. Hey, and I tell people have multiple streams of income. So if you're looking for the opportunity, if you pray for 2022, God, I need some more money and I'm tired of this $15 an hour. I need some streams of income. Man, I'm telling you, I'm 66. And I have had streams of income. I've been working since 14, but I've been having streams of income since 20. I work 2 or 3 jobs, multiple streams of income. Why does I live this way? Because I like a lavish lifestyle. I work hard and I live hard. Yes, I do. I'm being all under the grace of God, but I play hard. So, Kate, join me. Be on the team. The heavy hitters. Woo, woo. We love you. So you have a blessed day today. Let me know if you need me to do your taxes. Let me know if you need some life insurance. Let me know if you see my commercial. Give me your feedback so I can do better. But God bless all you. Now, BSBA, I got to shout out to you. I always got to shout out to Selena, my wonderful, beautiful daughter. I'm telling you, she's so gorgeous. She's so great. I know you got it from me, Selena. Oh, okay. But anyway, I love you, Selena. You're such a hard worker. You do so much. Y'all, the Black Small Business Association of Sacramento is off the chain. I better not catch nobody. Y'all better be lifting them up because they the best. I speak over you, BSBA. Multi-million-dollar grants, come on in, because this is the people that represent the community that care about you and me. Thank you for hosting me today. God bless you all. Take care.